In this video, you'll see how to install the CHERI software release. Currently, we're looking at the CHERI BSD developer preview page, and as you can see, there are two releases currently available. The release that we're interested in is the summer 2021 release, which is Docker-based, and we'll talk about how to install that today. CHERI software releases are made up of two major components. One is a Docker image, which will be pulled from Docker Hub. The other is a set of volumes which the Docker image will talk to. The volumes contain the debuggers, compilers, and other tools that you use to turn your code into code that runs on a CHERI platform. The current CHERI software release supports two major ISAs. One is the RISC-V ISA, and the other is the Morello ISA, which is an ISA from ARM. Pull the Docker image from Docker Hub where the image is maintained. Once the image has been pulled from Docker Hub, it is installed into your set of Docker containers. To retrieve the volumes, click on the download link. Save the file to your local downloads directory. Downloading the volumes will take a few minutes as there are 7 gigabytes in size. Now with the volumes downloaded, unpack them into your home directory. This also will take a few moments as the file is fairly large. Here we see the set of directories that are shipped with the volumes. These include all of the repositories for the tools that we build, as well as two important directories, the build and the output directory. The output directory contains all of the built tools that we built for the release. Most of your work will be done from within the CHERI build directory. The CHERI build user command is used to build and execute all of the components of the CHERI software release. Before using the Docker image, we have to add our own user to it so that we have permissions to touch our files from within the Docker container. In order to add our user, we use the CHERI build docker add user command. Now that we've added our user, we can actually run something. So for instance, if we wanted to run the Morello ISA under a QEMU virtual machine, we would use the docker CHERI build command, like so, and say run Morello your account. This will boot a pure capability system based on the Morello ISA. Now that we've reached the login prompt, we can log into the QEMU instance. Log in with root without a password. Now, if we scroll back towards the beginning of the boot sequence, we'll see the instructions for how to mount external file systems. Here you see the 4 file systems that we can mount over Samba. At the moment, all we actually need are the output directory. So we're going to copy and paste this command, scroll back to the bottom, and mount the output root. Once we go into the output root, we have a whole bunch of directories to choose from. What we're going to do now is run a few of the CHERI exercises to show that the CHERI exercises actually run within the QEMU instance. Here we see a whole bunch of CHERI exercises that have been pre-built. We can run print capability, which compares the size of an integer to the size of a capability. We can run an exercise that will cause a CHERI fault. We see here that we were actually given an in-address space security exception. Once we're done using the QEMU instance, we can then just shut it down. To learn more about this release, scroll down and select the release notes. The release notes contain all of the instructions that were given in this video. To learn more about CHERI, including retrieving documents, manuals, and other papers related to the project, click on Learn More. From this page, you can find all kinds of information about CHERI, the program, and the software that you're using. And that's it. You've now installed the CHERI software release for summer of 2021.